Good morning, judges, and hello everyone. My name is Rachan Maniri. I am 8 years old. I study Khmer and Japan School. I study English and IFLS in Subkid 1A. My topic today is zoo. A zoo is a place where different animals are kept in safe environment. People go to zoo to learn about animals and see creatures from all over the world. Zoo also help protect endangered species. They provide a safe home for animals that are at risk of disappearing. Visitors can see wild animals like lion, elephant, and monkey. Zoo also involved in breeding programs to help animals grow in number. They play an important role in teaching kids and adults about animal care and conservation. Zoo help people appreciate the beauty of wildlife. Thank you for listening.